guys, welcome back to our new tabs. Today we'll be cooking not too sweet, soft and creamy Leche Flan.
So the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, which is here. Then condensa, which is about 300 ml. Then we have Alaska Evaporada, which is 375 ml. This is the one that we usually like. This is the one that we prefer.
You're gonna also need how much eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 egg yolks, but you have to remove the white part. Only keep the yellow part. And also, we're gonna use this to caramelize to turn to this, but we'll show you later. So let's mix the ingredients. So now let's pour in the 10 eggs.
Egg yolk.
Yeah.
Say egg yolk.
We remember to remove and only get the yellow part. Then I pour in the evaporada. Okay. Now the condensada. And lastly, the vanilla flavor.
Here you go.
It's fine. I can only see 2 egg yolks.
No, 2 egg yolks are floating.
So
Now we're gonna mix up all the ingredients, which will take 2 to 4 minutes. It's yellow.
So now that we're done mixing everything, it's time to drain it.
So we'll need a bowl and a strainer in order to strain all the residue in the mixture. To make it smooth and creamy. And just the right sweetness.
After we're done, we're gonna show you how to turn this into the other color.
So after you poured it, you can see that there are residue in the strainer.
You. So you're gonna need 2 tablespoons to caramelize it, and it has about 3 cups to make it like this, and you have to place it on a low fire until it turns kind of like. So for this, you're gonna need this thing and place 2 tablespoons of sugar into 3 cups of this of Lamera. Then you're gonna place it on low fire until it turns to the color of brownish orange. So once it's finished, it's gonna look like this. But first, we're gonna show you how to caramelize it. So this is how you do it. You have to place it on a very low fire. Then you need this to get it. Then you have to place it like my mom does it. But you have to watch out.
So you want
Make
3, 2, 1.
Now the sugar is melting, and it will be done until all the white sugar dissolves and turn into like that. Now that's done, this is how it looks like. But also remember to make it turn like that to gather all the sugar and make it melt. Now that we have poured all the contents in each of the containers, make sure that you pour 3/4 in each. And also after that, we're gonna place aluminum foil and cover it, and then placing in a steamer. But we have to boil the water first.
Once the water boils, we're gonna place it in an aluminum foil so the water will not go inside. Once the water starts to boil, we'll need to place it in a low fire and place the Leche Flan.
So out of all the ingredients, we have made 4 Leche Flans plus 1/2, which we are going to eat. So this is the perfect Leche Flan. This is the perfect leche flan, and now
We cooked this for 20 minutes in a low fire. So now let's taste it.
it's wiggly. It is soft in the inside.
So good.
Mm.
It's nice and soft and creamy.
It's perfect. Just right.
So that's it for now. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.
See you later.